Today I'm taking a look at the Smart Tire Inflator. It's a looking monolith. So we got power on the front. So it's showing our current PSI and the setting that it's going to go to. So here we can see we got a custom mode. If we hit the recycle button, we got basketball. So we got different settings for different projects. We got bicycle, motorcycle, automobile, and then back to custom. We got a light. So that's pretty cool. So if we need to read the markings on the side of the tire, we got that. Oh, that's neat. And we got kind of a warning light. If we want to change the setting, we got minus and plus. So we can increase or decrease. On the top, we got input for the air nozzle. We got USB-A, USB-C, and a spot to recharge the power. So here's our pump line. It's threaded on one side, and we have a standard chuck on the other. That's neat. Actually comes with a little carrying bag. We got a USB-A to USB-C cable. And this is nice. We actually have something that we can use to charge it up, that we can just plug this guy right into our car. So that way, if we're on the side of the road, we need to air up our tires, we have a way of supplying power to it if the battery is not charged. And here we got a couple of nozzles for inflatables. We got one for a Presto valve. We got one for a basketball. And it also comes with an extra fuse. Okay, so it says it's currently at 26 PSI. I want to set this to 30. There we go. That is nice and quick. Same thing for a rear tire. 23.5. And we are set. So it does stop on its own, which is excellent. It's got a really nice display on it. It does make a little noise, but it's not like crazy loud, so I can use this thing in my garage. I don't have to worry about it like blowing my ears out. And it fills very quick. So overall, that is a very nice compressor.